The IMBRAIN Neuroscience Clinic is located in one of Melilla's most famous Modernist buildings. The clinic specializes in performing unique clinical activities. At IMBRAIN, the patient is the center of our attention. We use all the latest technological advances and coordinate the very best professionals to diagnose, treat, and restore our patients to full health. Led by the neurologist Jesús Romero Imbroda, at IMBRAIN, all diseases affecting the nervous system are treated in a multidisciplinary way. We have the best professionals from all branches of the neurosciences: neurology, neurophysiology, psychiatry, clinical psychology, neurosurgery, neuro-ophthalmology, speech therapy, neurological nursing. We have created an advanced unit for the study of sleep diseases by polysomnography. We have a full clinical analysis laboratory. We have implemented the use of telemedicine to connect with patients. We are available to give second opinions anywhere in the world. At IMBRAIN, we have a commitment to research, national and international projects, train, conferences of neuroscience, collaborate with patient associations. At IMBRAIN, your brain is in the best hands.